You are going to love the 2008 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.